So if n denotes a decimal is n greater than 0.9, let's take a look at the statements. They'll give us some more information about n. Statement 1 tells us that when n is rounded to the nearest integer, the result is 1. So n could be anything from 0.5 to 1.4999. And 0.9 is kind of somewhere in the middle. Since the answer is sometimes yes and sometimes no, whether n is greater than 0.9, we can't determine sufficiency based on this because n could go either way. So it's not A and it's not D. Statement 2 tells us that when n is rounded to the nearest tenth, the result is 0.9. So n is anywhere from 0.85, which would round up to 0.9, up to 0.94. 0.9 is still in the middle, and n could be 0.91 or 0.89. And again, with a sometimes yes, sometimes no answer, that's an insufficient statement for yes-no question. It's not B. Evaluating the two together, statement 2 is just clearly a more restrictive version of statement 1, but it still doesn't allow us to pin down n on one side or the other of 0.9. So without being able to pin it down on one side or the other, even in conjunction, the two statements are not sufficient. Answer choice E.